Imagine a world where your internet speed is so fast that downloading a full-length movie happens in a blink of an eye, or where AI-powered virtual assistants understand your needs even before you do. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that this is just around the corner? The future of the internet is more exciting and transformative than ever before. Welcome to Discover Past. In today's video, we're going to explore the cutting-edge trends and technologies that will reshape the way we live, work, and interact online. Before we dive into these groundbreaking technologies, I want to know, what future tech are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below as we explore together. And while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our deep dives into the tech that's shaping our world. First up, let's talk about 6G. While 5G is still rolling out globally, researchers and tech giants like Samsung and Huawei are already hard at work on 6G, aiming to make it the next major leap in connectivity. 6G promises speeds up to 100 times faster than 5G, which means downloading a full-length HD movie in just a fraction of a second. But it's not just about speed. 6G is set to bring transformative capabilities like holographic communication, advanced virtual reality, and real-time AI processing. Imagine attending a virtual concert where holograms of your favorite artists are so lifelike, it feels like you're actually there. Or envision a world where remote surgeries are performed with such precision, it's as if the surgeon is right beside you, even if they're halfway around the globe. 6G will also drastically reduce latency, potentially to mere microseconds, which is crucial for industries that depend on real-time data transfer, like autonomous vehicles or remote robotics. This low latency could mean that your self-driving car reacts to hazards faster than you ever could, making our roads safer and more efficient. To give you a sense of where we are today, countries like Japan and Finland are already setting up 6G research initiatives, and companies like Nokia and Ericsson are developing the technologies needed to make 6G a reality by the 2030s. As 6G pushes the boundaries of connectivity, it's not just our devices that will get smarter. The very world around us will be transformed by AI and IoT. Let's take a closer look. How do you think 6G will change the way we interact with the world around us? Next, we're diving into the powerful combination of AI and IoT. As AI becomes more advanced, it will increasingly integrate with IoT devices, leading to smarter homes, cities, and industries. Think about a future where your home not only adjusts the temperature automatically, but also suggests meals based on your dietary needs, orders groceries before you run out, and even schedules your day based on your habits and preferences. This level of automation and personalization will become commonplace as AI continues to evolve. One real-world example of this is already happening in smart cities like Singapore, where IoT is being used to manage everything from traffic flow to energy consumption. In agriculture, AI-driven IoT is transforming the way farmers monitor crop health and optimize irrigation, leading to more sustainable and efficient farming practices. For instance, companies like John Deere are using AI to help farmers make data-driven decisions in real time, significantly boosting productivity. In healthcare, wearable devices are becoming more sophisticated, with AI algorithms monitoring patient vitals and predicting potential health issues before they become critical. Imagine a future where your smartwatch detects an irregular heartbeat and alerts your doctor in real time, potentially saving your life. But with these advancements come challenges, like ensuring privacy in a hyper-connected world and bridging the digital divide. It's crucial that we navigate these waters carefully. For example, how do we ensure that the vast amounts of data collected by these devices are used ethically and securely? And how do we make sure that these technologies are accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy? What are your thoughts on living in a world where AI knows your preferences and needs better than you do? Now let's explore quantum computing, a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we process information. Unlike traditional computers, which use bits to represent data as zeros or ones, quantum computers use qubits, which can represent both 0 and 1 simultaneously, thanks to a property known as superposition. This allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations at speeds unimaginable with current technology. For instance, while a classical computer might take years to solve certain cryptographic problems, a quantum computer could do it in seconds. This has massive implications for fields like cybersecurity, where quantum computers could both break current encryption methods and create unbreakable ones. But it's not just about cryptography. Quantum computing could accelerate drug discovery by simulating complex molecular structures quickly and accurately, something that would take classical computers an impractical amount of time. To give you a concrete example, Google's quantum computer, Sycamore, achieved quantum supremacy in 2019 by solving a problem in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years to solve. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As quantum computing becomes more prevalent, we'll need to ensure it's used ethically and equitably, especially in areas like finance and medicine. How do we prevent these advancements from exacerbating existing inequalities or being used for malicious purposes? How do you think quantum computing will change industries like finance and medicine? Do you believe it will be as revolutionary as experts predict? Finally, let's discuss the metaverse, a concept that's been gaining a lot of attention recently. The metaverse is a virtual universe where users can interact with each other and the environment in real time, using avatars and virtual reality. This isn't just about gaming or social media. The metaverse could become a new platform for work, education, and entertainment. Imagine attending a virtual university where you can walk through digital campuses, interact with classmates, and participate in simulations that bring learning to life. Companies like Facebook, now Meta, are investing heavily in the metaverse, envisioning it as the next big thing after the mobile internet. But it's not just tech giants. Industries across the board are looking at how they can leverage the metaverse to create new business models and revenue streams. For example, companies are exploring virtual real estate, where you can buy and sell digital land or spaces, just like in the real world. Retailers are also interested in the potential for virtual shopping experiences, where you can try on clothes or test products in a digital environment before purchasing them. But with this digital frontier comes new challenges, like the need for regulations to protect users' privacy and the potential for an even greater digital divide. The question is, how do we build a metaverse that's inclusive and safe for everyone? And how do we prevent it from becoming a space where the same inequalities we see in the real world are amplified in the digital world? What do you think about the idea of spending time in a completely digital world? Is it thrilling, or does it seem like something out of a sci-fi dystopia? As we've explored today, the future of the internet holds incredible potential. From the lightning-fast speeds of 6G to the mind-bending possibilities of quantum computing, the internet is set to evolve in ways that could completely transform our lives. But with these advancements come important questions about privacy, security, and the digital divide. How will we ensure that these technologies benefit everyone and not just a select few? I'd love to hear your predictions. How do you think the internet will evolve over the next decade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of technology, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Discover Past for more fascinating insights into the world of history and technology. Stay tuned, and together, let's keep exploring the future.